Mamata Banerjee, in fact, is still continuing with the attack. She's saying that how much will it be this time? Dushasan Babu had told Duryodhan Babu that it would be 2/3. Now they can no longer claim 200 plus. By winning Bengal, we will democratically drive them out of the country. Bengal will show the way. Listen in to what the Bengal Chief Minister is saying.
একজন দুঃশাসন এসছেন বাংলায়, ভোট আসলে দুর্যোধন আর দুঃশাসনরা আসেন, ওদের চোখে দেখবেন, দু চোখে দেখলেই আতঙ্ক হবে, এই বুঝি কিছু ক্ষতি করতে এলো রে। দুঃশাসন বাবু এসছেন, শকুনি মামার চেলা চামুন্ডারা ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে আর বলে বেড়াচ্ছে বাংলায় নাকি 1.5 কোটি লোকের নাম বাদ যাবে। কেন? 54 লোকের ভোটারের নাম বাদ গেল কেন? ওই দুঃশাসন বাবু করিয়েছেন।
All right, let me quickly take that forward with Payal. Payal, more than Dushasan Babu, why is Didi so rattled by Duryodhan Babu? Given is it his contribution? He's also known as the Chanakya, and the way he's built the organizational structure and the cadres in Bengal as far as BJP is concerned, are all of that now rattling Mamata Banerjee?
Mamata Banerjee is certainly feeling the heat because the BJP is breathing down her neck. The left is almost finished as far as Bengal is concerned. So the only challenger for Mamata Banerjee is, of course, the BJP, and we've seen that impact in 2021 polls as well. Over here, she's referring to Duryodhan, which means she's referring to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Dushasan, she's referring to Amit Shah. And Shakuni Mama is, of course, Gyanesh Kumar, the CEC. That's the reference that she's really making to, because he's been brought here to, in fact, deduct the votes of genuine voters. That's her allegation. You can expect this and worse coming in from Mamata Banerjee, because she's a very, very combative leader, and the war of words will escalate more and more as we build up to the elections. Having said that, the BJP has already tasted blood, Akanksha, in 2021, and they feel that there is no reason that their score should even be better and it should be in the position of winning. Like the Home Minister said, 2/3 majority is what they're targeting this time around as well. We just have a couple of months to really go. The political temperatures are rising, and certainly, like Komalika was saying, Kolkata is already feeling the heat, even though it's peak winter.
All right, many thanks to you, Payal and Komalika, for bringing us all those latest inputs and for putting that entire face-off between the TMC and BJP into perspective for us.